Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth bevel for your Blender 3.6 for any of your 3D model. How to create this type of the bevel, how to smooth it. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Alright, this is one of the example that it already have the smooth bevel. Let's say if I start from beginning, I click File, New, General, I don't save it. So at the beginning, this is just a cube. So to make it smooth, to create the smooth bevel, what we're going to do is just click and select the 3D model, go to the edit mode. Then now you can see this is at the vertex mode, the vertex select. If I press A, it is going to select all of the vertex. At this moment, to create the bevel, what we are going to do is just press Ctrl B by using your keyboard. Then if you drag it, now you can see it already created the bevel. Let's say, then I click again, it release. Then you should be able to see a bevel appear at here. You click, then at here you can readjust it. Let's say if you select the vertices, it is going to produce the bevel by using the vertices, the vertex. If you click the edges as well, then it will include the edges. Then the width, you can adjust, you can readjust the width. At the same time, you can adjust the segment as well. If it is just one segment, it will be a low poly bevel. If you drag and increase the segments, it is going to become a high poly bevel. That means it will create more faces. Alright, then the width, you can drag it. Alright, now you can see it already becomes smooth bevel. Then you back to the object mode, it will immediately become a 3D model. At this moment, if you back to the edit mode, it is already disappear. It is irreversible. Once you already created the bevel, you cannot adjust the parameter again. It already fixed it, and now it already become a smooth 3D model. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a smooth bevel for any of the 3D models in Blender 3.6. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. You can comment at the bottom, comments whatever you want to request, any of the tutorials, any of the questions, you can leave a comment at the bottom, and you can save my video for further use as well. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.